G'day guys, welcome back. My name's Greg and this is my train room. Today we're going to do a short video just on my little reversing loop here. So one challenge I have on this layout with Sydney Terminal at one end is that I want to turn trains around to go back into it. Rather than running a point-to-point layout, I'm doing a single point with a reverse loop. So to achieve continual running into Sydney Terminal, I went through a few options and came out with what I believe is the simplest and definitely cheapest way to do this. So what I've gone for is a simple toggle switch and signalling to control the trains in and out. Basically, we have a red light here saying please do not enter the reverse loop, and if I toggle my switch, we now have a green light saying yes, you can enter the reverse loop. So this does require the driver to be paying attention to the signals, but just as it is on any railway. So very happy with this. So let me show you around the reverse loop and show you what I've done. So this is our double track leading out of Sydney Yard. The trains will be unidirectionally running from this point away from Sydney, around the loop, through Moree, and then back across this one, back into Sydney Terminal. So allow us to still do continual running on the peninsula. Our reverse loop starts at these insulated joints here, where the Cato track meets the Pico track, and runs around across the other bridge down to this insulated section here. We've got a very basic signalling system happening. Red shows that the polarity is reversed, and then if we change the polarity, green indicates that the polarity is the same as the track you're currently on. So I've used red and green at that end, and this end we've got red to show that we have different polarity between the track you are on and Sydney Terminal. And then when I change it back again, we've now got a yellow or amber to get you into the yard there. So one issue I was concerned about was what would happen to the locos when the polarity was changed. So let's just flick this switch and have a look. As you can see there, the loco doesn't even notice that the polarity has been changed. Again, I'll switch it back. This is achieved by using an on-on switch rather than an on-off-on switch, meaning that the time between polarity in one direction and the other is minute and enough for whatever internal electronics in the loco. Keep it going. The sound is gone just because I turned that off so you could actually hear me talk. So I hope this video was interesting and may have helped some of you looking at using reverse loops in your layout. The next video out will be how I'm controlling these points here, which is the first points leading into Sydney Terminal. So make sure you keep an eye out for that one. And yeah, if you could, like, subscribe and comment down below any thoughts you have on this layout. Cheers guys.